How to check CPU core and thread in Windows 11. Go to your taskbar, then right click on it. Click on Task Manager. Now click on the Performance tab and then select CPU. Here you can see all your CPU details. As you can see on my screen, Core 4 and logical processor thread 8. Extra info, you can also see your processor type here. My processor is a 12 Zen Core i3, and that's how you can quickly check your CPU core and thread in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips.